Your chance at living in an enriching community where comfort meets modern living is in Embu. Welcome to Embu Affordable Housing Phase 1. Strategically located off Embu Chicago Road along Embu Prisons Road, this project offers you a gateway towards blended living. Choose from our 2 or 3 bedroom apartments, each specifically crafted with your needs in mind. Imagine living in a space where safety is paramount. With 24-hour manned security, you can rest easy knowing your family is well protected. The well-planned infrastructure involves cabro paved driveways and a secure perimeter wall, ensuring easy access and peace of mind for all residents. It's all about safety and community. Our vibrant outdoor kids play area offers the perfect space for your children to explore and create new memories. Picture yourself relaxing in well-manicured gardens, perfect for family gatherings or a moment with nature. Do not miss on your opportunity to own an apartment at the Embu Affordable Housing Project. Sales are now open to the public. Talk to Villa Care and join us in creating a community that prioritizes safety, comfort, and modern living. Your dream home awaits you at the Embu Affordable Housing Scheme. Visit Villa Care and start your journey towards your dream home ownership.